Hi, this is Christine and welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. This journal was a lot of fun to make. It's a sewing themed journal and I made this using an old book. It's an antique book that's over 100 years old, so there is a little bit of wear on the covers, and I removed the inside pages and I replaced them with an assortment of papers for journaling on. So this is sewing themed, so I also have some sewing images or sewing related images inside. And here's a little bookmark that I've included. It's got a button attached to a gold colored paper clip and a little pair of scissors. And on the spine I have some embellishments and some fibers. I've got little charms here, a little sewing machine, another pair of scissors, and a clothes hanger. And also this is removable, so it's just a little clip that attaches to the side, so you can leave it off if you prefer. You can use it somewhere else, and I'll just leave it here for now. I've got some cotton, tea-dyed cotton ties on here as a closure. They're a little bit long. You can always trim them if you want to, and also they're easy to remove, so if you prefer not to have this on there, you can easily take them off. On the cover, I thought it was kind of a fun idea. I glued a zipper partially opened. Now this, you can't zip and unzip this, but it's just an embellishment. I thought it was kind of a fun idea. And I covered the spine with some fabric, and you can see the stitching for the 5 signatures. And also I've got some trim along the edge on the back. So let's have a look inside. Like I said, this is sewing themed, so I used some images from a kit that I had purchased a while back to make this journal. And I also have some images from a catalog of patterns. I think this was Vogue, I'm not sure. But so I included the picture of this pretty lady, and you can tuck something behind there. And here's the first signature. I printed these on my laser printer, and the signature covers are cardstock. Now I used an assortment of papers, tea-dye, coffee stained, some scrapbook papers, lined sheets. And if you want to include, I love the pictures, if you want to include some photos in there, you want to make sure that you're using copies and not your originals, because these pages are not acid free. Yeah, it was, I think, Vogue a lot of these images come from. So there's a pocket. There's no stamping. Whoever gets this can do their own stamping if they want to include it. There is lots and lots of space for writing. Oh, and it just so happens that the images that I had purchased are also featuring some Vogue patterns. This was an insert from a Vogue pattern. I like the different textures of different types of paper in here. There are tons and tons of pages. I'm not sure how many pages, but I will include that in the listing description. And I also had some fashion related to scrapbook paper, so I included that. There's another envelope. This would make a nice gift for someone who likes to journal and also likes to sew. It's another envelope. And here's the last signature. There's a pretty image of a bride on another envelope. And there's the inside back cover. So have a great day. Happy scrapping and happy journaling. Bye.